Hi friends, how are you? This is a video on probability. In this video, we will be discussing a question which says, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? Now we have been given with a box which contains 5 red, 8 white and 4 green marbles. It is said that one marble is taken out of the box at random. This means that the outcomes are equally likely. We have to find the probability that the marble taken out will be red in the first part. So we will start our solution by writing the total number of possible outcomes. The total number of possible outcomes are, it will be the sum of total number of marbles present in the box, which is 5 plus 8 plus 4, that is 17 marbles are present in the box in total. Now in the first part we have to find the probability that the marble taken out is red. Let us denote the event of drawing a red marble by R. Now we will be writing the favorable outcomes to R, which will be the number of red balls present in the box. The number of outcomes favorable to R are 5 because we have 5 red marbles in the box. Our formula for finding the probability will be P of R is equals to number of outcomes favorable to R by total number of possible outcomes. The number of outcomes favorable to R are 5 because there are 5 red marbles in the box. And the total number of possible outcomes are 17 because there are in total 17 marbles in the box. So probability of drawing a red marble will be 5 by 17. Let's report our result. Hence, the probability of drawing a red marble is 5 by 17. Moving on to the second part, when we have to find the probability that the marble taken out is white. In the second part, here we have to find the probability of drawing a white marble. So our event will be, let us denote the event of drawing a white marble by W. Here we have taken the name of the event by W. Let's write our favorable outcomes. The number of outcomes favorable to the event W will be 8, which is the number of white marbles present in the box. The formula for probability will be P of W is equals to number of outcomes favorable to W by total number of possible outcomes. The number of outcomes favorable to W will be the number of white marbles present in the box, which is 8, and the total number of possible outcomes will be the total number of marbles present in the box, which is 17. So the probability of drawing a white marble will be 8 by 17. Let's report our answer. Hence, the probability of drawing a white marble is 8 by 17. Moving on to the third part, in which we have to find the probability that the marble taken out is not green in color. In this part, we will be using the concept of complementary events. So firstly, we need to find the probability of drawing a green marble. Then we will use a formula to find the probability of drawing a marble which is not green in color. Let us denote the event of drawing a green marble by G. Therefore, G bar will be the event of drawing a marble which is not green. G bar is the complement of the event G. Now, the number of favorable outcomes to the event G will be 4 because we have a total of 4 green marbles in the box. The formula for finding the probability will be P of G is equals to number of outcomes favorable to G by total number of possible outcomes. The number of outcomes favorable to G will be 4, which is the total number of green marbles present in the box, by total number of possible outcomes, which is 17. Because there are total 17 marbles present in the box. Therefore, probability of drawing a green marble will be 4 by 17. Now, we have to find the probability of drawing a marble which is not green. Here, we will be using the formula P of E bar is equals to 1 minus P of E, or P bar can also be read as not E. Here, P E bar is the probability of not occurrence of event E and PE is the probability of occurrence of event E. The event E bar representing not E. In our case, the events are G bar and G. Therefore, probability of G bar is equals to 1 minus probability of G. That is, probability of drawing a marble which is not green is equals to 1 minus probability of drawing a green marble, which we have found out to be 4 by 17. Therefore, P of G bar will be 1 minus 4 by 17. On taking 17 as the LCM, we will get 17 minus 4 by 17, which comes out to be 13 by 17. Let's report our answer. Hence, the probability of drawing a marble which is not green is 13 by 7. This sums up our question. Thank you for watching the video.